Hi guys, Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 have launched in India as the latest smartphone offerings from the company. The phone comes with almost identical specifications apart from slight differences in the rear camera setup. My name is Srinivas. Welcome to my channel Technical Vihant. So we are going to talk about the price and the specification of the phone in details. So let's start with the price. Infinix Hot 9 Pro is priced in India at Rs 9,499 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option. The Infinix Hot 9 on the other hand is priced at Rs 8,499 for the 4GB RAM and 64GB storage option. The phone will go on sale via Flipkart. The first sale for the Infinix Hot 9 Pro is scheduled for June 5th at 12 p.m. noon. Whereas Infinix Hot 9 will go on sale on June 8 at 12 p.m. noon. The Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 will be offered in ocean blue and violet colors. The Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 support dual SIM slots and runs on Android 10 based XOS 6.0. The two phones features a 6.6-inch HD plus hole punch LCD IPS display with 20:9 aspect ratio, 90.5% screen to body ratio and 480 nits brightness. They are powered by 2.0 GHz Helio P22 octa-core processor paired with IMG power via GPU and 4GB of RAM. The internal storage is at 64GB and is further expandable via dedicated micro SD card up to 256GB. If we talk about the optics of both the phones, as for the optics, the Infinix Hot 9 Pro and Infinix Hot 9 comes with a quad rear camera setup at the back. The setup is placed on the top left corner and the sensors are aligned vertically. The Infinix Hot 9 Pro includes a 48 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture, a 2 megapixel depth camera and a 2 megapixel macro lens and an additional low light sensor. The Pro model includes a quad LED flash on the side. In contrast, the Infinix Hot 9 has a 13 megapixel main camera with f1.8 aperture and a triple LED flash instead. Camera features includes custom bokeh, AI HDR and AI 3D beauty. So if we talk about the upfront cameras of both the phones, the two phones have an 8 megapixel selfie camera with f2.0 aperture and LED flash support. The front camera resides inside the hole punch cutout placed on the top left of the screen. The front camera modes includes AI portrait, AI 3D face beauty, wide selfie and AR Anomiji. There is 5000 mAh battery integrated inside the Infinix Hot 9 and Infinix Hot 9 Pro. The company touts the battery to last up to 30 hours of 4G talk time, 130 hours of music playback and 13 hours of gaming and 19 hours of standby time. So if we talk about the Infinix Hot 9 Pro and the Infinix Hot 9 features, a rear fingerprint sensor and support a face unlock as well. If we talk about the connectivity, the phone options, both the phone have these options include Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, 3.5mm audio jack, FM radio, USB OTG, VO Wi-Fi and a micro USB port. Sensors on board include G sensor, e-compass, gyroscope, proximity sensor and ambient light sensor. The phone supports DTS surround sound. So what you guys think? Please let me know in the comment section below. For my latest tech news and gadgets, please subscribe to my channel Technical Vihant. Stay safe and take care. Thank you.